in this video, let us explore another aspect of LinkedIn thought leadership. That's called LinkedIn articles. Now, LinkedIn articles are really special with because LinkedIn articles show up on Google search. Therefore, if you want to SEO optimize these LinkedIn articles, and if you want to write about topics, keywords that you aspire to rank for, LinkedIn is a good place to do that. You can also link the LinkedIn articles back to your blog or website and get some traffic coming from here if you do a good job of it, that is. So yeah, how do you write a LinkedIn article? Firstly, go here and click on write articles in your LinkedIn feed, and you'll reach this interface. And if you're part of Win LinkedIn with Thought Leadership program, every week, every Friday, you will anyway get a LinkedIn article, a well-written article like this, that'll come to your inbox. um, it has a bunch of features, but let me just explain one by one. I just copy this. It's formatted, so you can use a formatted article. Unlike LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn articles have rich formatting, so you can just paste it here. The formatting is retained, and of course, the topic or the title has to be pasted separately because it's got a different formatting. That's why. Yeah, so all this is there, and you can edit it a little bit. You can elaborate on certain points, and so forth and so on. Now, and you can also link back if you want to link back something. Let's say, you know, this I want to link. Just click on this button, click on link, and put your link here. Let's say google.com or something like that, and it'll link back to that. When you click here, it'll take you. So yeah, you can create external links also in the articles. Now, once you have ready with the article, before publishing, you have to do a few things. Number one is go to manage, go to settings, and SEO title can be the same as your article or your keyword which you are using. And the SEO description is something which is given within this write up itself. If you come down here, there's a meta description, and this meta description can be copied and utilized in the article itself. Now, if you want, you can also edit it a little bit, so that it sits well with the SEO, let's say, guidelines if you want. But usually, this is well written, so that's not a problem. Another thing you have to do is before you publish, when you go to publish, you have to add a LinkedIn post here. If you see, it says, tell your network what your article is about. And that LinkedIn post is also given here within the write up itself that comes to you in your email. It's a promotional, post. So when you paste it here, it'll come this manner. There's read the article now. Again, you should just click shift enter, and ensure that the formatting is right. So it's easy to read, yeah? And that's pretty much the major part of posting a LinkedIn article, right? But now you might also have noticed that, hey, there are these image boxes which are empty, right? And even when you click on publish, this is empty, right? So how do you add an image? So yeah, again, it tells you 1920 by 80 1080 pixel, that is a size that you should do. You can upload from computer, create a design. If you click on create a design, it will take you to something called as Microsoft Designer, which is like similar to Canva, and you can create a design there. But I prefer not to do that. You can also generate an image using AI, because in this LinkedIn article itself, there are two prompts given for two images. So let's just take the first image and go back to our favorite tool, which is fal.ai, and go to the Flux dev model, which is good enough for most purposes. And I will go with the landscape 16:9 ratio and just paste the prompt here. Now, when I click on run, it will generate an image for me. This is the image which I can drag and drop into my uh, uh, LinkedIn article and use it there. So I'll click on download, let it download, go back to the LinkedIn art, go back to the LinkedIn article, and I can just select it from the computer, and set it as an image here. It loads it up. There you go. Our image is set. Another thing I can also do is I can also add an image in the middle of the post somewhere just to break the visual flow. So I can just click on this and say upload from computer again, and it can add another image for me, right? And if I don't have another image ready, in the article that is sent to you, you have this second prompt also. The purpose is, to help you generate two images. Yeah. Let's see the second image, and I have not changed any setting. It's still landscape 16:9, and it will generate an image. There you go. So I click on download. I go to, and here how you do you add the image. You click this icon at the top. If you see bold, italics, etc., at the end it's the image icon. You click here, you upload from the computer, and it will add the image for you. Yeah, there you go. The image is added. You can also enter a caption. Let's say it's an image, a graphic that you have created. It could also be a PowerPoint slide of which you have taken a screenshot. It could be a graphic too. So it's up to you how you want to create this. You can use images which are brand guideline driven. That uses the brand colors. You don't have to use AI generated images necessarily, but it's a good idea to do that so that the visual flow break is there. Yeah, and that's it. And when you click on publish, you'll see the first image, the top image is taken up automatically, so it doesn't look bland, and you can publish it to your network. And that's how you write an article on LinkedIn, ensure that some amount of SEO activity is done, ensure some backlinking is done, and publish the article. Join the LinkedIn Thought Leadership, Win LinkedIn with Thought Leadership program. The link for this is given below. It's very affordable. Just come to this page, fill in the form, and I'll get in touch with you. Thank you so much.